Vending machines in Japan, wow. No other country can compare with the sheer volume that are in Japan. 5.5 million machines. And you know, that's like one machine per 30-ish people. Unbelievable. They are everywhere. I mean, you expect them in the cities and maybe down the alleys, but no, you can find them standing alone in the middle of a rice field, just absolutely everywhere. They became popular after World War II as a way for the drink companies to sell more products. But now it's not drinks only, it's anything. You can buy anything from machines. From drinks, of course, hot drinks, cold drinks, frozen drinks, to natto, fermented beans. So just about anything. So I hope you enjoy the videos. You can buy bubbles, chips, maybe a car. Look at that. You can buy bugs for 690 yen. This says it's yakitori. So chicken on a stick and different types of bugs in this lovely vending machine. Very strange. Popcorn, anybody? Just when you're walking down the street and you get that urge to have some popcorn, here you go. It's 220 yen. You can buy absolutely anything. Not sure how fresh it is or how long it's been there, but you know, maybe you'd want to try it. And apparently only popcorn comes out in only plain, no other flavors. Even though it says there's other flavors, there's not really. Now let's go find some more vending machines. Maybe you want some curry while you're standing around here. And for dessert, there's some chocolate and lots of fontaine for some reason. They also have a vending machine with chocolate, with kare pan, suguan, red bean paste. On a day like today, I think we need some ice cream. No way! An Anpan vending machine, and it plays. Genki da yo! Yum! Look, it has all different types of milk. A banana vending machine. One banana for about $1.50. So, you know, if you're low on potassium, guess this is the place to be. Coffee vending machine. This one, up there on the screen, it will show you as it's making it, and you can choose what you want. So, this one, cappuccino, you can get it with sugar or without sugar. And this one over here has all different, black with sugar. You can get big one or a small size one. Calorie Mate. These are protein bars. Different flavors. Idle vending machine. This is a sticker vending machine. Someone actually just like put theirs up there. So you can also get an umbrella. For 24 hours you can rent this umbrella for 70 yen, or for a whole month only 280 yen. Popmart Robo Shop. It has little plastic toys. You might win something if you pay $10 to get something out of this. AirPods, code, something. So, you can be in Akihabara, there are card vending machines. So this one, mystery vending machine. So it says King's Treasure Box. This you pay 1,000 yen, so about $10, and you can push one of those buttons, but you don't know what you'll get. So some of the things you might get